Hello friends, welcome back to the lecture series of Power Electronics by Electrotech CC. In the previous video we had discussed about three-phase inverter in 180 conduction mode and 120 conduction mode. In this video we are going to simulate AC voltage controller. So let's get started. As you all know, I am using here P-Sim Power Sim to simulate all power electronics simulations. So let's give one title to the project: AC voltage controller. Let's add one simulation control with total timing simulation time of 0.5 second. To make an AC voltage controller, we need a AC voltage power supply. Then we will start with one controlled rectifier, half wave control rectifier with resistive load, and then we will convert this half wave control rectifier into the AC voltage controller. So as you all know, thyristor is a one control switch and it will work in only positive half cycle. In negative half cycle it remain closed. Let's add one get pulse control block. Two voltage probes. Let's change the ratings of power supply: 12 volt and 50 Hz. Let's check mark the display icons. Triggering pulse for the SCR, resistive load of 100 ohm. So we are ready to simulate this circuit. So click on simulation. Okay, let's add input signal. This is our sine wave input signal. Second one, that is output signal. As you all know, if I change the timing simulation time for it's a very small time to simulate the waveform. Let's add up to 0.2 second. Okay, now it's perfect. So as you all know, thyristor is working only in positive half cycle. In negative half cycle it's remain closed. Here we use a conduction angle of 0 to 180 degree. So conduction angle, for example, 90 to 180 degree. So as you all know, the conduction angle, if we change the conduction angle, then thyristor works only from 90 to 180 degree. So this is a half wave control rectifier. If we want to convert this half wave rectifier, then we need to add one diode with anti-parallel to our SCR main switch, control switch. So it will give us full cycle. Okay, negative half cycle. In negative half cycle diode is conduct, and in positive half cycle thyristor is already in working. So as you all know, in positive half cycle thyristor is on, and in negative half cycle diode is on. So in the output we get both the cycle, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. If we want to reduce the average output voltage, then we can change the firing angle of SCR. So as you can see in the waveform, the average output voltage become reduced. And if I change the firing angle to 30 to 180 degree, and if I add one more ACR by replacing diode, getting circuit. So if I change the frequency 50 Hz and firing angle of 180 to 360. So let's change the firing angle from 240 to 360. Okay, and from for a first one thyristor. So if we add input cycle, and second one, that is output waveform with resistive load. So as you can see over here, the first, in positive half cycle, thyristor 1 is working, and conduction angle or firing angle for first thyristor is 60 degree to 180 degree, and for a second one, if we change the firing angle to 120 to 180 and (300 to 360), then as you can see in the output waveform, the average output voltage is reduced. So by changing the firing angle of thyristors, we can control the average output voltage in AC voltage controller. Okay, this is very simple. Second one, in AC voltage controller, with the help of a single switch and 4 diode. So to reduce the cost of AC voltage controller, if we change the configuration of AC voltage controller by replacing 2 switch with the 4 diode and single control switch, we can reduce the cost of overall AC voltage controller. So let us connect all these components. Resistive load down, and voltage probes. Let's change the rating of input power supply, 12 volt and 50 hertz. Second one, that is resistive load, value of 100 ohm, and get triggering circuit. Hertz and conduction angle of 60 to 180 degree, and let's run it. So this is our input cycle, and second one, that is output cycle. So it is working only in positive half cycle because we set the frequency to 50 hertz of control gate pulse. So if we increase the frequency to double to the input frequency, then it will automatically give us full cycle in positive half cycle and in negative half cycle. So let us change the frequency to 100 hertz. Okay, so we get the output voltage from 0 to 60 degree in positive half cycle, and in negative half cycle from 240 to 360 degree. Okay, now if I change the conduction angle from 60 to, for example, 90 degree, then it will automatically, if we increase the firing angle, then it will automatically reduce the average output voltage of AC voltage controller. Okay, so this is very simple. As you are increasing the firing angle, then it will automatically reduce the average output voltage of AC voltage controller. Okay, so this is very simple.